Arithmetic is often called the queen of mathematics, and one of its most important idea is this: every number can be broken down into prime numbers. This idea is called prime factorization. Let's understand this with an example. Take the number 24. At first, 24 looks like just a normal number, but inside it, there are hidden building blocks. We start breaking it down step by step. 24 can be written as 2 into 12. Now ask yourself, is 2 is a prime number? Yes. So we stop there. But what about 12? Not prime. So we continue. Now break 12. 2 into 6. Again 2 is prime, but 6 is not. Break 6. 2 into 3. Now both 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So finally 24 becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is called prime factorization because now the number is written completely using only prime numbers. No matter what number you take, you can always break it down into prime numbers. These primes are like the DNA of the numbers. Now, how do we do this an easy way? There are two methods. Method 1, Factor tree. You break the number step by step like branches of a tree. Start with the number, split into factors. Keep breaking until all are prime. Next method, successive division. This looks like an L shape. You keep dividing the number by prime numbers until you reach 1. Same idea, just a different style.